Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our journey through Oxford County, a delightful region in southwestern Ontario. This area is rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, offering something special for everyone. Oxford County is made up of several charming communities, including Woodstock, Ingersoll, and Tillsonburg. Each town has its own unique character and attractions. For example, Woodstock, often called the Friendly City, is known for its vibrant art scene and historic architecture. Ingersoll has a deep-rooted connection to the cheese industry. Tillsonburg offers a blend of cultural experiences and outdoor activities, making it a great place to visit. One of the standout features of Oxford County is its rich dairy heritage. The county proudly holds the title of Canada's dairy capital. Cheese lovers will be thrilled with the Oxford County Cheese Trail, a curated collection of local businesses offering everything from artisanal cheeses to cheese-themed experiences. It's a tasty way to explore the region and indulge in some delicious dairy products. History enthusiasts will find plenty to discover here. The county is home to two nationally designated historic sites, the Annandale National Historic Site and the Woodstock Museum National Historic Site. These sites offer a glimpse into the area's past and showcase its architectural and cultural significance. Additionally, the Ingersoll Cheese Museum tells the fascinating story of the region's cheesemaking history. For those who love the outdoors, Oxford County doesn't disappoint. With over 100 kilometers of scenic trails, it's a haven for hikers and cyclists alike. The natural areas and conservation parks provide a serene escape into nature, where you can enjoy birdwatching, picnicking, or simply a peaceful walk in the woods. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or culinary enthusiast, Oxford County has something to offer. It's a place where the past and present blend seamlessly, creating a unique and enriching experience for all who visit.
Thanks for watching!